Welcome to Real Talk English. I'm Emily, your curious explorer on this journey.
And I'm Paul, your knowledgeable guide. Today, we're diving into the art of self-comparison and personal growth.
Why do you think we often compare ourselves to others, Paul?
It's human nature, Emily. We want to gauge our progress, but it can be a double-edged sword.
Yeah, it can be discouraging. Any tips on how to handle it?
Focus on your own journey. Celebrate small victories along the way.
That makes sense. So it's more about progress than perfection.
Exactly. Each step, no matter how small, is a step forward.
That's reassuring. How do you suggest we start this journey of self-growth?
Start by setting personal goals. They should be realistic and achievable.
And when we achieve them, it feels amazing, right?
Absolutely. It's a boost of confidence. Remember, it's your journey, no one else's.
What about when setbacks happen? How should we react?
Treat them as lessons, not failures. They're stepping stones in your progress.
I love that. So no need to fear mistakes?
Not at all. Embrace them as part of your adventure.
Thanks, Paul. I'm ready to take on my journey with these insights.
Anytime, Emily. Let's keep exploring and growing together.
Paul, have you ever felt like you're behind after seeing others' achievements online?
Yes, Emily. Just last week, I saw friends posting about promotions and travels. It made me feel inadequate.
That sounds tough. How did you handle it?
I reminded myself that social media is just a highlight reel. Everyone has their struggles.
That's a good point. But it's so easy to forget that, right?
Absolutely. It can really mess with your self-esteem.
So, what's your strategy for dealing with that feeling?
I focus on my personal growth. I set my own goals and celebrate small wins.
That sounds empowering. But what if the feeling lingers?
Then I talk to someone I trust. Sharing helps lighten the load.
Do you have any rescue phrases for tough moments?
This is my journey. It reminds me to focus inward.
I love that, Paul. It's a great reminder to stay grounded.
Exactly. It's about progress on your own terms.
Thanks for sharing this, Paul. It's reassuring to know we're not alone in these feelings.
Anytime, Emily. Let's continue to learn and grow together.
Paul, why do we compare ourselves so much? Is it just human nature?
Partly, Emily. We have this innate desire to know where we stand.
But doesn't it steal our happiness sometimes?
It can. It's like a thief of joy if not kept in check.
So how do we stop it from affecting us?
Focus on your personal growth. Remember, everyone's journey is different.
But seeing others succeed, it's hard not to compare.
True. But remember, their success doesn't diminish yours.
That's comforting. It's a shift in mindset, right?
Exactly. Embrace your unique path.
What if we slip back into old habits?
It happens. Just gently remind yourself of your progress.
And celebrate the small victories?
Yes. Small wins build momentum.
Can we turn comparisons into something positive?
Definitely. Use them as inspiration rather than competition.
I like that. Inspiration sounds less stressful.
It is. It's about learning, not competing.
So we're all on our own adventure in a way?
Absolutely. Each step is a part of your story.
Thanks, Paul. This makes the journey feel less daunting.
Anytime, Emily. Let's keep growing on this adventure together.
Paul, have you ever felt like you're on a different timeline than others?
Definitely, Emily. It's like running a marathon at your own pace.
So, life isn't a race, right?
Exactly. Everyone has their own journey.
I love that idea. It's comforting to know it's okay to go at your own speed.
It is. And it makes each achievement more meaningful.
How do you keep that mindset?
I remind myself that comparison isn't the goal.
Right. It's about personal growth.
Yes, and embracing your unique path.
So we should celebrate our progress, not just the destination.
Absolutely. Every step counts.
That makes the journey feel more rewarding.
It does. And it's your journey, no one else's.
Thanks, Paul. This perspective really helps.
Anytime, Emily. Let's keep moving forward together.
Paul, do you think embracing our differences can be our greatest strength?
Absolutely, Emily. Our individuality shapes our journey.
How so?
It drives personal growth, fostering unique insights.
So our quirks actually help us grow?
Yes, they guide us to our true path.
That's inspiring. Have you seen this in your own life?
Definitely. My love for languages opened new doors.
And how did that help you?
It led to unexpected opportunities, like this podcast.
Do you think everyone has this potential?
Of course. Embracing what makes us unique sparks growth.
So, being different is a gift?
Exactly. It's what makes each journey special.
That's comforting. We should celebrate our differences.
Yes, they pave the way for success.
Thanks, Paul. I'm ready to cherish my uniqueness.
Anytime, Emily. Let's continue exploring together.
Paul, how do you practice self-care in your journey?
I focus on, quote, watering my own garden with kindness.
What does that mean exactly?
It means nurturing my growth and being patient with myself.
That sounds peaceful. Why is it important?
It leads to genuine happiness and personal fulfillment.
So, taking care of ourselves helps us grow?
Absolutely. It's about building a solid foundation.
How do you stay patient in the process?
By recognizing that growth takes time.
I like that. It's like nurturing a plant.
Exactly, Emily. Consistent care brings beautiful results.
And what if we forget to care for ourselves?
Just start again with compassion. It's never too late.
Any tips to make self-care a habit?
Set small goals and celebrate them.
Celebrating small victories makes it more rewarding, right?
Yes, it reinforces positive habits.
Thanks, Paul. I'll remember to water my own garden.
Anytime, Emily. Let's continue to nurture our growth together.
Paul, how do you define success?
For me, it's inner peace, not just achievements.
Inner peace sounds wonderful. Why is it so important?
It contributes to a fulfilling life.
So, more than just external success.
Absolutely. It's about feeling content and balanced.
How can we achieve that peace?
By aligning actions with our values.
That makes sense. But isn't it hard sometimes?
It can be. It's a journey, not a destination.
I love that. It feels more achievable.
Exactly. Every step counts.
You think everyone can find this peace?
Yes, by focusing on what truly matters.
And what if we get distracted by external pressures?
Gently refocus on your inner journey.
So peace is a personal path.
Absolutely. It's unique to each of us.
Thanks, Paul. This perspective is refreshing.
Anytime, Emily. Let's keep exploring our paths together.
Paul, do you ever question if you're good enough?
Sometimes, Emily. It's tough not to.
I get that. But remember, you're good enough right now.
Thanks, Emily. It's a comforting thought.
Self-acceptance is key. How do you practice it?
By being kind to myself, even on bad days.
It's like giving yourself a hug.
Exactly. Self-compassion is powerful.
Why do you think it's so hard?
We're our own harshest critics, Emily.
That's true. How do you quiet that inner critic?
By focusing on my strengths and progress.
Celebrating small wins, right?
Yes, and acknowledging efforts, not just results.
This journey feels less daunting now.
We're all a work in progress.
Thanks, Paul. Let's keep embracing who we are.
Always, Emily. It's our unique journey. You know, Emily, this conversation has really made me think.
How so, Paul?
It's comforting to know we're not alone on this journey.
Do you feel more at peace with your journey now?
Yes, I do. Thanks to your insights.
I'm glad to hear that. We're all learning together.
Exactly. Each step feels more meaningful now.
Have you noticed any changes in your mindset?
I'm more focused on my own path and progress.
That's great. Celebrating small wins really helps, right?
Absolutely. It builds momentum and confidence.
And embracing our unique journeys makes it more rewarding.
I agree. It's a personal adventure.
Any last thoughts on staying motivated?
Just keep reminding yourself of your own progress.
Thanks, Paul. Let's continue to support each other.
Anytime, Emily. Here's to our ongoing journey.
So, Paul, if you had one message to leave our listeners with, what would it be?
Embrace your unique journey. It's yours alone.
That's powerful. It's like we're all writing our own stories.
Exactly, Emily. Each chapter is meaningful.
And we're all at different points in our stories, right?
Yes, and that's perfectly okay.
I love that idea. It makes everything feel more personal.
It does. We should celebrate our progress.
And stay inspired by our own paths.
Absolutely. Inspiration is everywhere.
So, should we invite everyone to join us on this journey?
Definitely. Let's continue exploring together.
Great! Subscribe to Real Talk English for more insights.
We look forward to growing with you all.
Thanks, Paul, for the enlightening chat.
Anytime, Emily. Let's keep moving forward.